Now let us ask ourselves, what is it that keeps us from having a full relationship with others and with God? Good day, I am Father Bert Sepe, one of the Redemptorist Fathers here in Cebu, and welcome to our daily palandong, ang pamalandong sa pulong. Lord, if you wish, you can make me clean. To be a leper in Israel in the time of Jesus was like serving a life sentence. Medical science at that time was not yet advanced, and so there was no known cure for leprosy. A leper is cut out from everyone and lives outside the city center. Now, only a miracle from God can heal and bring him back to his family and to society. So we can just imagine the great joy the leper in the gospel reading today had when he heard that a person called Jesus could heal people's diseases. And so with great boldness, he approached the Lord Jesus and asked him to be cured of his leprosy. And Jesus openly welcomed him and healed him. Now, my brothers and sisters, today's gospel reading begins with a series of miracles and cures that Jesus performed, signifying nga niabot na ang gingharian sa Diyos. Ang gingharian sa Diyos ang naauban kanila, and Jesus had power over nature and all power of evil, and even power over diseases and sin. Nothing is beyond the power of the Lord. Now let us ask ourselves, what about us? What is it that makes us unfree or disease? What is it that keeps us from having a full relationship with others and with God? What keeps us from becoming the person God created us to be? Our reading today invites us to be honest with God and to bring before Him what is in our hearts, what keeps us from living out our lives as children of God. And Jesus' reply to the leper should give us hope. The Lord is always willing to help and deal with us wherever we are. No amount of load is too heavy for Him. So let us come before the Lord and be honest before Him. Like the leper, let us ask Him, Lord, if you will, heal me, forgive me, bless me. And let us hear the Lord saying to us in our hearts, I do will your wholeness. Trust in me.